Welcome back to our plot, and this week we've made hints about this in the past and a few of you have suggested it. We are going to be doing a
cookout.
So what are we going to be doing for the cookout?
So what we're going to do is we are going to have a look on our plot and Tilly's plot and see what we can use in our cooking for today.
And you're going to be cooking because you're the best at cooking, aren't you?
Am I? Yeah.
Yeah. And it will be a stir fry.
Yeah, so obviously we'll have to have some noodles because we can't grow those, but everything else we'll try and get it off the plot and put it in the pot.
So we've got no idea what we're going to put into the stir fry, so we'll have a walk around the plots and see what's ready and
chuck it in.
You can work your magic.
I found some spring onions, not many, but they could be used.
That should be all right though. They're quite strong flavoured, aren't they?
Yeah. See what else we can find. I think Tilly's got some garlic on the plot. Might be ready.
You're the chef.
Looks good though.
We are going to have chicken in the stir fry, but not those chickens. So that and the noodles are the only thing that aren't from the plot. We are going to have eggs, but I already got those this morning. And here's a shot of me doing that now.
So our sugar snaps and our Monch 2 are looking good, so they're going in. Anything in here?
Chinese cabbage, and there'll be some green boys. But these, if you saw the last video, one of them bolted, and two of them have now bolted today. So we have to use these. Otherwise they'll go really horrible and bitter. So we are going to pull two. They're not ready, but they'll still be tasty. This one's bolted. I mean, I don't think they're far off, actually. Really. Ready? Is that a fly bane? Yeah, that's nice. But yeah, it's bolted if you look right in the middle. See the flower starting. Maybe we'll pick the other one later because I don't think you're going to use all that, are you?
No.
Green boys. I should have planted them at the front instead of the back because you have to like lie down and reach in. That's more than ready.
So I'm kind of prepared. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to cook the chicken first, and then I like to add the noodles, and the last thing I add is all the veg because I don't like things overcooked. I like a bit of crunch to them. So there's a lot of cabbage here. Just cut a little bit off because I don't know how much I can fit in the pan. So hopefully if there's room, I'll add some more. If not, we'll use it for something later.
Do you want stir fry? Do you want chicken? Do you want chicken stir fry? Sylvie, do you want chicken stir fry? Only without the chicken. Are you coming in?
Okay, so the noodles and chicken's looking good. I'm going to start adding a little bit of veg, garlic, green boys, spring onions. Let's see if we can fit some cabbage in. Get a bit full. Okay, so I'm going to start cooking some eggs. Got from Tilly. This is a big one. I reckon it's a double yolker. Should we see? Oh, it is. I can eat just like this, but I guess everybody else will want some sauce, so Chinese style. Oh, so the cooker has changed colour because we had to get a spare out. Dinner's ready.
Yummy.
Delicious. Really fresh Monge too. Green boy.
It's a thumbs up from me. Thank you, Hannah. Lovely. Oh, where's Tor's waiting?
Still nice and crunchy veg.
That is bloody delicious. Well done. And it's all random, fresh vegetables found on our plot. Proper job.
Well, that was a delicious meal, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. Thanks, Hannah, for cooking it. Really enjoyed it.
So you could make that vegetarian. You don't have to put chicken in it. I think it'd be nice with just the veg as well.
It would. Yeah, really nice.
The sauce was nice. I mean, I could have eaten it without the sauce.
Same here.
But,
Monge too were lovely.
Yeah, they were good. So that was a bit of fun, really, kind of going around picking stuff and just trying to make something.
Yeah.
I think I'd like to do that again. I'm hoping maybe next time, maybe the beets will be ready.
Yeah, that would be nice because then we could use some of our herbs, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Rosemary and thyme and stuff.
And the garlic was nice, and maybe the potatoes as well. So we'll see.
Yeah, yum. Can't wait for the potatoes. Yeah, as usual, thanks for watching this video. We love seeing your comments, and it's through the comments that we have had people say about doing cookery things, which is nice. So if you really like the channel, if you liked, subscribed and shared, that would be really great. Obviously you're not obliged to, you don't have to in the least. Yeah, if you want to, you know, it's really good. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. See you next time.
Yep, see you soon.